Hello and welcome to this lecture. Step 3. Dimensional strategy description. In this step, simply combine both the lists of action points for each dimension which resulted from the first two steps. Afterwards, remove the duplicate action points in each list or for each dimension. This will give you the optimal problem-centric, result-oriented, dimensional business strategy that you can employ to massively grow your business. Just like the first two steps, this business strategy will look like a list of action points under each dimensions. And this is the final list of action points which will define your strategy. So once you have this list from step 2 and once you have this list from the step 1, your teams now just need to have a brainstorming sessions where they will just simply identify the action points which appear twice and then you just mention them once, and those action points for different dimensions which you obtain from step 1, you just simply organize them now under each and every problem that you need to solve in order to increase your revenue, and in this way you will get the final strategy. And here is how your final strategy is going to look like. So it will be in the same format as step 2. Problem challenge 1, dimension, all the action points. How the different action points under one or more dimensions will help you in solving a certain problem or challenge. For example, problem 1, problem challenge 2, and so on. And this is your optimal strategy, which is a result of different dimensions that you have in mind and along which you will brainstorm every quarter, every year, every 6 months, or every month, depending on the dynamics of the industry in which you are operating. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's keep on learning.